DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, this is another treehouse chat. You hear those doves? Got a lot of doves. There's the feeder. Look at all those doves eating. That's my chicken feeder. You see what shape it is? I just put a bunch of food in there and it just comes out the bottom, and then as they eat it, I only have to fill it up maybe once a week or two. They eat as much as they want, and the birds eat too. You wouldn't believe how many doves I got here. I've been feeding them for years. In fact, I got a dove that built a nest outside my door. I got to do a video on that. I think I might have one. I'm not sure. But anyway, this is another treehouse chat on something that not many people know about, but you should know about it. And what it is, it's the left turn. This is for driving. Left turn acceleration lane. Shit, I don't know how to spell acceleration. Lane. Okay, what this is let's say you got a road, right? And in the middle of it is a lane. Okay. So this is like a two lane going one way, 2 lane going the other way. Okay. And you're here coming in here. Okay. And you want to, merge with this. You want to go that way. All right. Now there's traffic coming this way. There's traffic coming this way. Now what most people do is they will sit here until there's no cars coming at all. Okay. But all you have to worry about is these cars coming here. You don't need to care about cars on this end, okay, going that way, because what you're going to do, if the road has one, is you are going to turn. If it's clear here, there's nobody coming. You're going to go out, and you don't care who's coming here, and you're going to go into this middle lane here, and that's the left turn acceleration lane, okay? And you haul ass in here, because what you're going to do is you're going to merge with, traffic here, all right? So you got to match their speed so that you can scooch in here, okay? Now I did this. I did this the other day. I mean, I've known about this for years, and I think they have it in the driving book. But I came out of a parking lot or something, and I hit this lane, and I started, scooting, and there's a cop right here. Right here, there's a cop driving, and I'm hauling ass, and then I merge in, and he pulls me over. And he goes, "What the fuck are you doing, dude?" I said, "I'm using the left turn acceleration lane. That's what it's for." I don't even think he knew about it. But that's what it's for. Anytime you see this lane in the middle here, it's a left turn acceleration lane. And he let me go. Because I wasn't breaking any laws. I wasn't breaking any rules. I was just using what this fucking thing was designed for, is for you to be able to merge with traffic over here, okay? So like I said, you only care about this traffic coming this way, okay? If it's clear, if there's nobody here, you go for it, okay? You kind of got to watch for if somebody's doing a left turn here, but you don't really care. I don't even look. I don't even look who's over here, because they're going and I'm going, and I haul ass and I build up speed, and I'm going, and I'll be like, I'll pass a guy. I'll be going like here, and this guy's I'll pass him and then go in front of him, and merge in. You know what I mean? Okay, I hope that's clear. But try it next time. You'll see these lanes, and that's what they're for. That's what they're designed for. So, like on a two-lane going this way and two-lane going that way, some idiot isn't going to sit there and wait for traffic to clear both ways, which could be a long time. Especially, this is, there's no light here, okay? So anyway, sometimes shit. If there's a guy in front of me, okay, and I'm behind him and I'm stopped and I can see there's nobody coming, I'll just go around that motherfucker and just go for it. But anyway, that's it. Onward and upward, kids. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this. Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.